Hi and welcome back. Today, I just want to do a quick video on Healthier Choices Management Corporation. I know there's already a lot of YouTubers out there who's covering this stock, but half of them don't even have shares of HCMC. I, for one, bought shares of HCMC because I do believe in this company, and I just like to research companies that can make me a lot of money if I buy a small amount and it grows to even a small percentage. That will make a big difference. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. And guys, I started a Patreon page because I want to find like-minded people like myself who likes to trade penny stocks, growth stocks, who wants to know about options, and just being able to help each other grow our accounts together. So that's why I created a Patreon page. I know there's not a lot of people in there, so I'm just hoping that I can find a few like-minded people who's willing to come join me and grow our accounts together. I will also be sharing my trades as well. So if you guys are interested, check out my link down below. So let's take a look at the stock here. So it's down 26.47%. I'm looking at the 5-day charts here. So in the last 5 days, it's been bleeding for quite a while now, but I do feel like it's gonna rebound soon. And let's take a look at the news that came out just recently. So this was the news that came out Tuesday, March 2nd. It says HCMC issues statement clarifying unauthorized Twitter accounts. So HCMC has become aware of the creation of an unauthorized Twitter account claiming it is the official HCMC Twitter page. The company also wants to notify stockholders that it does not currently have any social media accounts, but is in the process of establishing an official Twitter page. The company will issue a press release with the name of its Twitter page once it has been established. As you can see, HCMC has been gaining a lot of exposure. If we can get more buying pressure, more volume, that will definitely drive the stock price up. In this press release, the CEO is retiring shares. The exchange reduced the amount of common stock to be converted from the Series A warrants from approximately 460 billion to 207 billion, which is saving a 45% in dilution for the company and its common stock shareholders. The CEO stated that they have been finally, at some point, those Series A shares were going to be converted to 460 B shares. So by not waiting for the data warrant exchange, they saved shareholders 45%, which is a very smart move by the CEO to convert now instead of waiting for the maturity dates.
Just take a look at what this company actually does. This is their Healthier Choices Management Corporation is a U.S.-based publicly traded company specializing in providing consumers with healthier alternatives to everyday lifestyle choices. HCMC owns an intellectual property suite comprised of patents issued in both the United States and Canada. These patents have a primary focus on safer vaping technology, as well as synthetic or imitation nicotine compositions, processes, and methods of manufacture. HCMC continues to innovate and hopes to expand this suite in the future. And just recently, the company formed a wholly owned subsidiary, Intellectual Property Holdings, to hold and market its intellectual property assets. This subsidiary will own all of the patents, trademarks, and other intellectual property of HCMC. Since it's under its other wholly owned subsidiaries, Health Choices Markets and Healthy Choice Markets owns both Ada's Natural Markets, which is a 1,800 square foot full-service grocery store serving the Fort Myers, Florida, and 3 Paradise Health and Nutrition locations in the greater Melbourne, Florida area. The company operates 9 retail vape stores in the southeast region of the United States, through which it offers e-liquids, vaporizers, and related products. You may have heard of some of these names, such as the Vape Store, Vapor Max, and the Grab Bag. It also owns several patents in connection to electronic cigarettes. And this company is led by Chairman and CEO Jeffrey Holman. Let's take a look at their business strategy. Their business strategy includes, but is not limited to, attempt to expand upon and monetize its patent suite, operate and potentially expand upon its 4 health food and vitamin stores, operate and potentially expand upon its 9 retail vape stores, and seek out new accretive business lines. Was filed back in November. But it was just recently that people have found out about this company. Let's just take a look and see what happened. They announced the filing of its patent infringement lawsuit against Philip Morris in connection with a product known and marketed as IQOS. HCMC's lawsuits includes claims that Philip Morris is infringing HCMC's patent rights in connection with IQOS, an alternative tobacco product marketed and sold by Philip Morris. Philip Morris claims that it is currently approaching 14 million users of its IQOS product and has reportedly invested over $3 billion in their smokeless tobacco products. Philip Morris has been very open about their ongoing transition from traditional fully combustible cigarettes to their modified risk tobacco products, including IQOS. The Philip Morris IQOS product is currently the subject of 2 other patent infringement proceedings filed by R.J. Reynolds Tobacco Company. One proceeding is before the International Trade Commission and seeks to stop the importation of the IQOS product into the United States. The other is a patent infringement action currently pending in the Eastern District of Virginia. The CEO, Jeff Holman, he stated, "We are pleased that after a lengthy and careful analysis, a law firm with a patent litigation reputation and strength of Coase & O'Connor will be enforcing our patent rights." He also stated, "We look forward to proving our allegations of infringement in this matter and intend to continue to move forward against any and all companies that infringe upon our intellectual property in both the tobacco and cannabis categories." So the investors are speculating that it could win the lawsuit, and once it does, the stock price will move higher.
So let's take a look at what I have. I have 75,000 shares of HCMC. I know it's not a lot compared to some people, but this is just the beginning. I will plan to add more as time goes on. So as you can see, I am down 34%. I will continue to add on to these dips. If you guys are bullish on HCMC, go ahead and hit that like button for me.
Let me know in the comments below if you're holding on to any of these stocks or what you think about them. And also do consider joining the Patreon page. I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.